Can I put clues 3A and 3B together without having to pull out my very, very bestest friend, Jack the Seam Ripper? Stay tuned to find out. Third time's a charm, right? This is my time lapse where I put both pieces together in just a matter of minutes. I hope you enjoy. And we are all done. Error free. Let's take a look at both blocks. This is block 3A, and I love this one has a little more white in it than the other blocks. We've seen a lot of purple and blue so far, but not a whole lot of white, so it's fun to see that this is showcased in this block here. And then block 3B is a bunch more of the flying geese. It seems to be a theme in this quilt, which has been a lot of fun. I'm getting a whole lot better at doing my flying geese. Let me know if you're joining along with us or if you're participating in the new Wild West, which is starting very, very soon. And if you're enjoying the video, hit the like button, tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. Hope you all have a great day. Happy sewing. We'll see you next time. Bye.